Hello friends, welcome to Easy Tech Social. Are you experiencing a Snapchat login issue with an error or encountering a general login problem? No need to worry, here are step-by-step instructions to resolve it. Firstly, navigate to Settings and select Default Apps. Locate Snapchat. And either click on it or perform a long press and click on the corresponding icon. Now, clear the cache followed by clearing data. Ensure all necessary permissions are granted. Afterward, close the app. Toggle on and off the flight mode. And then proceed to log into Snapchat by entering your username and password. There you go. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe.